First luto ni Ate Sheila. Kaya lang, ang paborito naming spam. Ayan si Ate Sheila. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Bago matalsikan. Our first bed. Ayan, gagawin ni Ate Sheila. Unboxing. Ito ay binili lang po namin sa Walmart.
Walmart.
Uh,
Can we have key? Key. Can we have key?
no, we don't have.
How can I open this
You
without
can open
key?
that.
Please open.
You can open that because I'm your cameraman. Ayan, medyo nahihirapan po siya.
Because it's not easy to open this thing. Look. No.
Tagal naman. Isang 1 minute na, di ba? O-open.
Can I get key?
We don't have keys.
It's hard to open.
You can do that.
Maybe.
Ang tagal, gusto ko na matulog. Yes, finally, after more than 1 minute. Yan, busy po siya.
Guys, nag-open lang ng air mattress. Hirap na hirap pa.
Ayan, finally!
After 2 hours. Yay!
Tagal, ano ba yan? Ayan.
Ito sa bag.
Ayan.
Yep.
Finally, na-open na niya. Yan, sabi po kanina guys, automatic daw po yun kapag sinaksak mo. Tingnan natin. Watch out. At tingnan po natin kung kakasya kami dyan. Yan ang ating sabay-sabay na malalaman. O, kunyari mag-read daw muna siya ng manual. Kunyari alam daw niya. Ayan na po siya. Dahil siya ay isang larawang ayan.
Is this the top?
Ayan.
Where's the top?
Tingnan natin.
And then,
And then dapat isaksak mo siya, Labi.
where is the...
Ayan, hinahanap ko yung saksakan. Ayun, so may saksakan pala siya. So isasaksak po natin. At titingnan natin ang magic ng ating air mattress. Yan, isasaksak na ni Labi ko. Yan.
Please plug. You said
You can plug it.
Is this working?
Yeah. Just plug it. Let's see.
After that.
That's one. Ayan. So, ayan, lumalaki na siya. It's automatic. Ayan si excited girl. Big. Ayan siya. Ayan. Parang yung ano namin dati. Ayan. Ayan.
I
So,
think this is
okay na. This is enough. So, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye!